I've been getting everything set up for doing these microgreens indoors. The rack's all sorted, it's been adjusted. I just need to wire some lights to it, ready for when I need them, because obviously you won't need lights straight away. And I've been online and I've ordered quite a few seeds. Apparently the seeds that I've ordered are the easiest microgreens to grow. So we've ordered pea shoots, kale, broccoli, radish, red cabbage and spinach. So that's 6 different types that we've ordered, because we're going to have 6 different trays on that rack. While I was going through these seeds to see which ones I might need to order, I found a big pack of French breakfast radish, and there's quite a lot of seeds in this. So I thought, while we're waiting for this post to arrive, we might as well start 1 tray off today and put it on that rack. See how they go. And I'm going to do this by only half filling this tray. Depending on which variety of microgreens that you're growing, some can be ready in 14 days, which is a pretty good turnaround for a side salad or garnish. It's also going to give me an idea of how many seeds we need to fill this tray up. But first we need to flatten it down so it's nice and level all the way across. So I'm just going to level it out with a piece of wood. Get a nice even bed. So that's pretty level now. So I'll make sure this is well watered. Because when I put these seeds on, I want them to stay where I put them basically. We're trying to get things growing uniform. So they don't want to be on top of each other. But they also don't want to have patches where there's no seeds. And they're also last year's seeds, so they need getting rid of, especially since I've just bought another pack or about 2,000. Radish is also a very good one to try as microgreens if you're just starting to do them, because it's the fastest growing vegetable. So let's get a really good amount of seeds and start covering this flat. I'm using French breakfast ones in case I haven't mentioned it before, but you can use any type you want. You've got no restrictions when it comes to growing vegetables as microgreens. You can pretty much use any vegetable you want, except for members at Nightshade family. They're not safe to eat, which is things like your peppers and tomatoes. We're getting quite a lot of seeds on here. I think for this experiment, that's enough. I'll show you how many I put on. So you can see exactly how many seeds I've put in this tray. That is a lot of seeds. But that is how you do microgreens. You have to really overseed your trays. Then I'm going to give them a light covering. Obviously, because the seeds are so densely sown, you want to make sure you only very lightly cover these microgreens, or they're going to push the compost up in one big lump. So I think using a colander is the best way, or anything that you've got to hand that gives a really light coating. So I'm just doing that until I see all these seeds disappear. I think it'll be fun over winter to be doing things like these indoors, because you don't need any heating for them. Room temperature works perfectly fine. They just need some light. So if you've got a sunny window, that's perfect. And you can grow them in little packs. You don't have to grow them in big ones. Just grow as many as you want and experiment with different vegetables as well. I'm just going to give these a last watering, and then we can take them indoors. So at that we're done. So all we need to do now is take these in, wire his lights up onto his rack, and we're good to go. So I've now brought everything indoors. We've got this rack set up. This is that tray that we've just sewn, and obviously, as I said, when you do this you need to put something on top of it. Basically it's called a black art tray, and also you can weight that down as well to make your plants grow stronger, because they'll push that tray up as they grow. And then we've got all these lights that we need to wire up. We need to fix them just under here. Should be a pretty easy job to do. But I'm using 6. So we've got 3 of these lights that go in on top. And these are those LED lights. They're only 18 watts, really cheap to run. So we'll have 3 on top of there, then we'll have 3 under here, and we'll have all the 6 set up then. I just need to sort this wiring out, but it won't take long. And next time you tune in, this will all be set up and running. And by then, hopefully, those seeds I've ordered will have arrived, and we can get the other 5 trays set up with his microgreens. But for today, this is all we can do. And it's going to be interesting to see how the different varieties grow over the next few weeks. And if you're interested in seeing how they grow, just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell. We'll see you next time. You all take care.